Visiting Bangkok for the first time. If you're planning your first trip to Bangkok, Thailand, you're in for a real treat. Bangkok is a vibrant and bustling city full of culture, history, and incredible food. Here are some tips and tricks to help make your first visit to Bangkok an unforgettable one. Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis full of culture, history, and incredible food. If you're planning your first trip to Bangkok, here are some tips and tricks to help make your visit an unforgettable one. First things first, getting to Bangkok. Bangkok is served by two airports, Suvarnabhumi International Airport and Don Mueang International Airport. Once you arrive, you can take a taxi, train, or bus to your hotel. The best way to navigate the city is by using the BTS SkyTrain or MRT subway. These public transportation options are cheap, efficient, and air-conditioned, making them a great way to beat the heat. Exploring Bangkok. One of the best things about Bangkok is the variety of attractions and activities on offer. Here are some of the top things to do during your first visit to Bangkok. The Grand Palace is one of Bangkok's most iconic attractions, and a must-see during your visit to the city. As you approach the palace, you'll be awed by the stunning architecture, intricate details, and rich history of the palace. Located in the heart of Bangkok, it is easily accessible via public transportation or taxi. As you approach the palace, you'll be awed by the stunning architecture, intricate details, and rich history of the palace. As you enter the complex, you'll first notice the elaborate entrance gate with its golden spires and colorful decorations. Make your way through the gate and prepare to be transported to another time and place. The Grand Palace is home to several impressive temples, including the famous Temple of the Emerald Buddha, also known as Wat Phra Kew. The temple houses the highly revered Emerald Buddha, made from a single piece of jade, and is considered to be the most sacred object in Thailand. Visitors are required to dress appropriately, which means covering their shoulders and knees, and taking off their shoes before entering the temple. The Emerald Buddha is surrounded by intricate carvings and decorations, and visitors are not allowed to take photos inside the temple. However, the beauty of the temple and the Buddha will leave you in awe. The temple's intricate details and vibrant colors are a testament to the incredible craftsmanship of Thai artisans. Take your time to admire the intricate details of the temple's walls and roofs, and appreciate the beauty of the temple's surroundings. The palace also has several throne halls, where the king would hold important ceremonies and meetings. The most famous of these is the Chakri Maha Prasad Hall, which combines traditional Thai and Western architectural styles. Don't forget to bring your camera, as the Grand Palace is a photographer's dream. The palace's vibrant colors, intricate details, and stunning architecture make it a perfect backdrop for photos. And if you're lucky enough to visit during sunset, you'll be treated to a breathtaking view of the palace's golden spires against the colorful sky. The palace is open daily from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., and it is recommended to visit early in the morning to beat the crowds. In conclusion, a visit to the Grand Palace is a must-do during your trip to Bangkok. With its stunning architecture, rich history, and beautiful gardens, it's no wonder that it's one of the city's most popular attractions. Remember to dress appropriately, take off your shoes before entering the temple, and bring your camera to capture the beauty of the palace. Take a boat ride along the Chao Phraya River. Bangkok is known as the Venice of the East, for a reason. The Chao Phraya River, which flows through the city, is a lifeline for Bangkokians and a hub for transportation, commerce, and tourism. Taking a boat ride along the river is a great way to see the city from a different perspective. There are several types of boats to choose from, including long-tail boats, ferries, and luxury river cruises. Long-tail boats are the most common, and offer a cheap and authentic experience. The boats can be found at several piers along the river, including the De Tien and De Chang piers near the Grand Palace. As you cruise along the river, you'll be treated to stunning views of Bangkok's skyline, including the iconic Wat Arun Temple. The temple's spires and colorful tiles shimmer in the sunlight, and offer a stunning contrast to the city's modern skyscrapers. Along the river, you'll also see several floating markets, where vendors sell fresh produce, snacks, and souvenirs from their boats. The markets offer a glimpse into traditional Thai life and are a great place to try local delicacies. The boat ride also takes you under several of Bangkok's iconic bridges, including the Rama 8 Bridge. The bridge's elegant design and lighting make it a popular spot for photos. The boat ride is a great way to see the city from a different perspective and experience the hustle and bustle of the river. The ride typically lasts around an hour, and costs around 50 to 100 baht per person. Be sure to bring sunscreen and a hat, as the sun can be strong on the river. A boat ride along the Chao Phraya River is a must-do during your visit to Bangkok. Whether you're looking to see the city's iconic landmarks, explore floating markets, or simply relax on the water, the river offers something for everyone. So hop on a boat and enjoy the ride. The floating markets. One of the most unique experiences you can have in Bangkok is visiting the floating markets. These markets are where vendors sell goods from boats along the canals and waterways of the city. To get to the floating markets, you'll need to take a long tailboat from one of the designated piers. The most famous floating market is Dam Noen Sadwak, located about an hour outside of Bangkok. However, there are several other floating markets closer to the city, such as the Amphawa Floating Market, which is also very popular. As you float along the canal, you'll see vendors selling all sorts of goods, including fresh fruits, vegetables, souvenirs, and even cooked meals. The atmosphere is lively and colorful, with the sound of bargaining and bartering filling the air. Bargaining is an important part of the experience, so be prepared to negotiate for a good price. Many of the vendors may not speak English, so it's a good idea to bring a translator or a phrasebook to help communicate. And don't be afraid to try some of the local snacks and treats, such as coconut ice cream, grilled bananas, or mango sticky rice. These dishes are some of the most delicious and popular items at the floating markets. In addition to the floating market, there are also smaller canals to explore. These canals offer a glimpse into the traditional way of life in Bangkok, with houses built along the water and locals going about their daily routines. Some of the canals are so narrow that the boats can barely pass through, adding to the charm and adventure of the experience. After a day of exploring, you can enjoy a meal at one of the floating restaurants. These restaurants are built on rafts and offer a unique dining experience with views of the canals. You can try some of the traditional Thai dishes, such as tom yum soup, pad thai, or green curry. The floating markets are a must-visit for anyone coming to Bangkok. They offer a glimpse into the city's unique culture and way of life. Be sure to bring cash, sunscreen, and a hat, as the sun can be strong on the water. And don't forget to bring a camera to capture the colorful and vibrant scenes of the floating markets. So hop on a long tailboat and get ready to experience one of the most memorable parts of Bangkok. You'll leave with a new appreciation for the city's traditions and a belly full of delicious food. Visit a temple. Bangkok is home to some of the most beautiful and ornate temples in the world, also known as Wats. Visiting a temple is a must-do experience when you come to the city. One of the most famous temples in Bangkok is Wat Phra Kew, also known as the Temple of the Emerald Buddha. It's located in the heart of the city, within the grounds of the Grand Palace. This temple is home to the Emerald Buddha, a highly revered Buddha image carved from a single block of jade. There are also several other temples to visit in Bangkok, such as Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn. This temple is located on the west bank of the Chao Phraya River and is known for its stunning Khmer-style tower covered in colorful tiles and glass. When you visit a temple, it's important to be respectful and follow the rules. This includes dressing appropriately, not touching or pointing at any religious artifacts or statues, and being quiet and mindful of your surroundings. If you're interested in learning more about Buddhism, many temples offer guided tours or meditation sessions. You can also observe locals participating in daily rituals, such as lighting incense, making offerings, and praying. Visiting a temple is not only a spiritual experience, but also a chance to appreciate the art, architecture, and history of Thailand. It's a great way to gain insight into the country's culture and traditions. Thailand. It's a great way to gain insight into the country's culture and traditions. So come and visit one of the many beautiful temples in Bangkok. You'll leave with a sense of peace and enlightenment, and a deeper understanding of the importance of spirituality in Thai culture. Experience Bangkok's nightlife. Bangkok is a city that never sleeps, with a vibrant nightlife scene that offers something for everyone. From rooftop bars to nightclubs, the city has a reputation for its lively party scene. One of the most popular ways to experience Bangkok's nightlife is by visiting a rooftop bar. These bars offer stunning views of the city skyline, along with delicious cocktails and a stylish atmosphere. Some of the best rooftop bars in Bangkok include Vertigo and Moon Bar at the Banyan Tree Hotel, and Octave Rooftop Lounge and Bar at the Marriott Hotel. For those who prefer a more energetic scene, Bangkok has plenty of nightclubs that stay open late into the night. Some of the most popular clubs include Levels, Insanity, and Onyx. These clubs often feature live music, DJs, and dancing, with a mix of both Thai and international music. Night markets are another way to experience Bangkok's nightlife. These markets are often open until late, and offer a range of activities such as shopping, live music, and street food. Some of the most popular night markets in Bangkok include the Rat Phai Market and the Pat Pong Night Market. If you're interested in cultural experiences, Bangkok also has a range of traditional dance and music performances that take place at night. Some of the best places to experience these performances include the Siam Nirameet Show, the Calypso Cabaret, and the Cone Masked Dance. Street parties and festivals are also common in Bangkok, particularly during holidays such as New Year's Eve or Songkran, the Thai New Year. These events often feature live music, food stalls, and colorful decorations. One of the most famous street parties in Bangkok is the monthly Soi Nana night market. If you prefer a more relaxed atmosphere, there are also plenty of quieter bars and lounges in Bangkok. These bars offer a more intimate setting, with a focus on cocktails and conversation. Some of the best bars in Bangkok include the Bamboo Bar at the Mandarin Oriental Hotel, the Vesper Cocktail Bar, and the Iron Balls Distillery. Whatever your preference, Bangkok's nightlife scene has something for everyone. So put on your dancing shoes, grab a drink, and get ready to experience the city's vibrant energy after dark. Trips and excursions from Bangkok. While Bangkok has plenty to offer within the city limits, there are also a variety of day trips and excursions that are worth taking. From historic temples to floating markets, there's something for everyone just a short drive from the city. One of the most popular day trips from Bangkok is to the ancient city of Ayutthaya. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was once the capital of Thailand, and is home to a variety of historic temples and ruins. Some of the most popular sites to visit include Wat Mahathat, which is famous for its iconic Buddha head in the tree roots, and Wat Phra Si Sanpet, which was the largest temple in Ayutthaya's Golden Age. Another popular day trip from Bangkok is to one of the many floating markets in the area. The Dam Noen Sadwak floating market is one of the most well-known, and offers visitors the chance to shop for fresh fruits and vegetables, souvenirs, and even street food from vendors selling their wares from boats on the canal. For nature lovers, the Erawan waterfall is a must-visit destination just a few hours outside of Bangkok. This 7-tiered waterfall is located in the Erawan National Park, and offers visitors the chance to swim in the crystal-clear water and relax in the lush jungle surroundings. The Maeklong Railway Market is another unique day trip destination. This market is located on a functioning train track, and vendors have to quickly pack up their stalls whenever a train comes through. Visitors can witness this unique spectacle and also shop for fresh produce and local products. Finally, the Khao Yai National Park is a great destination for adventure seekers. This large national park is home to a variety of wildlife, including elephants, tigers, and gibbons. Visitors can go on a guided jungle trek, or take a nighttime safari to see the park's nocturnal animals. Whether you're interested in history, nature, or just a unique experience, there are plenty of day trips and excursions from Bangkok that are worth exploring. From trying out traditional Thai dances to sampling the delicious street food, Bangkok has so much to offer for kids of all ages. And let's not forget the incredible boat rides along the Chao Phraya River, where you can take in the stunning views of the city skyline and catch a glimpse of the majestic temples along the riverbanks. So as we say goodbye to this amazing city, we're left with memories that will last a lifetime. Remember to always keep exploring and learning about the world around you, just like we did in Bangkok. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll find ourselves back in Bangkok, discovering new adventures and making more amazing memories. Until then, thank you Bangkok for an unforgettable journey. Sawadee ka.